here is so different because in Nepal there is a very bad condition of the refugee. We have to survive in the other agencies, so they provide the rice, like beans, everything in Nepal, and just we like a parasite. We depend on them, and we get the opportunity to come here, and I'm happy to be here.
Study in the group, maybe 50 marks of people who have to study in the same class. That's why we have difficult to pick up the knowledge from the teachers. Then we have to come to after school and we get the help from the others. We study is same like in Nepal, but it is just important. But in the practical knowledge also, it's like that.
For the students, the environment is the first need. But in Nepal, the people have to leave the crowded, and there's a big noise, and there will be the quarrel between each. And for the students, there is no good environment, and if the neighborhood is not good, the students will not pick up the
United States and Nepal. We face lots of problems. Like in Nepal, school can run without computer, but here we learn computer in school. And in Nepal, school can run with electricity, but we found that here school can run with computer.